Hello, my pretties. Just a quick little video to show you a new way of doing a Dutch pour. And this is not going to be a tutorial on mixing or anything like that. If you like it and want to see that thorough of a video, I'm going to release one tomorrow. But just want to show you what I came up with, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I have some white paint down on the canvas already to save some time. I have some primary elements here that are mixed with vivid enamel. And I'm going to put a nice line of color down at the bottom here. That was jasmine. This is Northern Lights. Okay. And then I have some Blue by Golden. I can't pronounce the name, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Anthraquinone Blue. God help us all when I start to say names that I cannot pronounce. Here is my reserve white. And in tomorrow's video, I will tell you why this white is important. That's right. I'm teasing you guys just to show you what you're going to learn in tomorrow's video. Okay? So there's the white. Now here comes my new way of doing a Dutch pour. And I hope you enjoy it. Gonna let that sit for 1 minute to develop. And now with my little can of canned air, I'm gonna see if I can control it enough to where I can just do small sections. Because I don't want to disturb some of these areas. Yep. That was no good. Let me get my straw. I didn't feel like blowing tonight, but I guess I'm going to have to after all. Okay. Not too much. Just want to get a little bit of it to work its way out. And you can do this with the airbrush too. That area I like. This area I like. Kind of like a lot of it. All right, I'm going to turn it around. Okay. And now I will do the other side. And I'm going to leave it like that. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Really quick video. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed, you got to subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified when I release the video. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to show it to you. Let me give you a close-up. I don't think I've ever done a 5-minute video. Oh, 6 minutes now. Please, please, please make sure you come back. The colors I am going to be doing in this are endless. I hope you guys all have a great night, day, afternoon, no matter where you are in the world. Have a good day. Make sure you check out my description for links to my website, my YouTube, not YouTube, my Facebook group, Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, all of that jazz, okay? Love you all, and happy pouring.